Hey everybody, it's John from Davis Heating and Air, the Fix It First company. So I was going through our database and we're finding customers with the old R-22 systems. What we want to do is reach out to you guys and let you know that we're going to give a deal between today and the end of March. So we're going to give you $2,000 off a full system. So a new heater and a new air conditioner, we're going to give you a $2,000 discount on that system. If we've done your heater and your air conditioner is old, we'll give you $1,000 off of that. What we don't want to see is, I think it's going to be a pretty warm summer this year, hopefully not as bad as last year. We just don't want to be stuck in the middle of summer with an old system that we cannot repair. So we like to say we want to fix it first, but when you're getting into these R-22 units, you can't buy new components for a lot of these systems. So I'm sending this out to you to give you this exclusive offer to our customers. It's not for anybody else, just for our customers that we've served in the past. So if you have any questions at all, give us a call at 856-429-7979.